The next group up is the Golden Gate group from San Francisco. And Fritz has a couple words to say.
So it's our custom to always bring a gift to the host of the Berserks Fest. So thank you to Seattle for hosting a wonderful Berserks Fest. We're so happy to see the tradition going on. It is really a great job that you're doing. So for you, we have some of the best hipster chocolates that San Francisco can give you. As well as this bottle that we found called Goldwasser, which I'm not exactly sure what it is, but we're gonna drink it. It's an herbal schnapps with gold in it, Goldwasser from Golden Gate. You know, and I had another thought while we were here fishing.
Oh yeah, Fritz, what was that thought?
I was looking here at Leavenworth and there's a lot of hotels. How many people do you think it could hold?
I think maybe 2,000-ish.
2,000, that's a familiar number. Why am I reminded about that?
I don't know, Fritz, why are you reminded of that?
Maybe that's almost how many people you need to have a Gal Fest. I mean, it seems kind of obvious. So given how good of your job you're doing, I'm looking forward to your bid for the Gal Fest at the next delegates meeting. Thank you for putting forth that bid.
I'll just say these guys are some of our, definitely pushers, California people indeed. One of our longest friends. You guys have come to our Bonenfire, our Jubileum, you've come up to all this, we went to your Bonenfire, so definitely a long-lasting friendship here, so we'll talk. And thank you for the gift.